Hey guys, so here's an update with Dollar Beans. So, papaliwanag ko sa inyo guys kung paano ba nag-work yung system no ni Dollar Beans. Congratulations sa mga nagtitake action. So, this time, just like I've said, I'll do my best na hindi ma-drain yung contract na to. Okay? So, this will be our long-term passive income. Everyone wants a passive income, yung tipong kahit wala kang recruit, kumikita tayo. So, ang maganda dito kay Dollar Beans, hindi siya yung boring na staking. Okay? It's static rewards pool. So, ang nakalagay dito, earning up to 6.5% daily. Talaga namang kikita tayo ng from 3.5% up to 6.5% daily. But, there is a right strategy. So, yun yung ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon, guys. Nag-post ako dito sa ating Telegram channel. Ayan. So, dito in-explain ko guys, no, na yung earnings natin, if we compound our earnings, nag-accumulate siya ng 3.5% up to 6.5% daily. So, depende yan, no, sa capital na nilagay natin dito. Of course, kung minimum, so 3.5% lang. Kung mataas naman yan, kasi meron tayong maximum deposit amount na 5,000 USDT. So, that means 6.5% yung earnings noon, yung maximum. Okay? But guys, there's a trick on that. Okay? If you eat, ibig sabihin kapag nag-withdraw tayo, yung profit natin, ang mawi-withdraw lang natin is 0.87% sa minimum and 1.62% sa maximum capital. So, ibig sabihin guys, this is not an HYIP. So, syempre, mas gusto naman natin yung very stable project, 'di ba? So, alam naman natin guys, no, na yung mga previous project, yung iba talagang hindi tumatagal ng 1 month, 2 months. So, maximum na tinagal is yung Polcash, which is tumagal siya ng 3 months. But end of the day, ayaw natin ng ganun kasi mga short term, 'di ba? So, we've learned from those previous projects. Okay? That's why nilagay natin ng anti-drain mechanism, si Dollar Beans. Alright? And ang maganda pa dito, binild siya sa OPBNB chain, which is, kahit mag-rebake tayo ng mag-rebake, every minute, basta as long as meron ka ng beans dyan, ay hindi tayo gagastos ng malaki sa gas fees. So, it means, the more beans na meron tayo dito, the more USDT na gine-generate niya. Okay? So, ang goal natin dito is to accumulate our beans by rebaking. Okay? And then yung eat beans, actually pwede natin gawin to. Eat beans means withdraw. Pwede ka mag-withdraw, but keep in mind, in-explain naman dito, no, nakalagay dyan, na merong tax for every early withdrawals. So, nakalagay dito, there is a tax on early withdrawals with amount depending on how long the USDT has been in the pool. The longer it has been, the lower the tax. Okay? So, ayun ang trick dito guys. Yan yung anti-drain mechanism ng project. So, yun ang mga tax na yun guys. Okay? So, the tax, I think it's like 69%. So, wag kayong mabibigla kasi yun nga, in-explain ko na, no, na yung 3.5% is para sa compounding yon. Okay? If you compound, well, yun yung dumagdag sa beans mo, 3.5% from your deposit. But if you withdraw, ang mawi-withdraw mo lang is 0.87% up to 1 point something percent. So, nandito yan. Ayan, 0. How many? So, hold on. Ayan, 0.87 up to 1.62%. Which is not bad, guys, kasi yun ngang iba, di ba si Metastake, 0.5% per day. But, the great thing with that is, tatagal yung contract. Okay? Nadala na rin sila sa mga high yield investment programs, yung easily drained na contract. So, maglo-launch sila, pero nasa 0.5% per day lang din. So, good thing dito kay Dollar Beans is, nasa how much? 0.87? Hold on. So, sorry guys. Ang dali ko makakalimot. So, ayan, 0.87%, di ba? Which is not bad at all. Kung tataasan mo pa yung capital mo, 1.62% per day. Okay? So, fair enough. Yun ang magiging earnings mo kapag nag-withdraw ka agad. Okay? Pero, ang good thing dito kay Dollar Beans, pag nagre-rebate ka or nag-compounding ka, tumataas yung beans mo, yung numbers of beans mo. And we all know 10,000 beans is equivalent to $1 or USDT. So, ibig sabihin, every 10,000 beans na nadadagdag dito, nadadagdagan ka ng 1 USDT as your capital. Actually, yung original na capital mo, hindi yan magre-reflect dito, but the earnings, yun yung nag-accumulate. So, keep on rebaking, and it's up to you if you want to withdraw. Ang ma-withdraw mo is, yun nga, yung minimum na percentage. Hindi ito hindi ito yung 3.5% up to 6.5%. So, ito yung benefit nito is for those people na nagko-compounding or nag-re-rebate. Okay? So, yun. That's the anti-drain mechanism. And by the way, yung 69% na yun na deduction or tax, napupunta yun back to the contract balance. Okay? Mapupunta yun right here sa contract balance. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun, hindi siya mai-easily drained katulad ng mga nangyayari sa mga other projects. So, that's the great thing with that. And meron tong white paper, basahin nyo na lang din guys. Okay? Ipopost ko dito sa Telegram. So, basahin nyo lang mabuti. And, yun. And mamaximize nyo din yung earnings dito, okay? By sharing your referrals. So, pag nag-share kayo ng referrals, ang kikitain nyo guys, hindi direct USDT. So, that's part of the anti-drain mechanism din yan ng project. So, ang ma-earn nyo is dollar beans. Okay? Yung beans. So, 5% of the amount na dineposit ng inyong referrals ay dadagdag sa beans nyo. Ang good news doon, habang dumadami yung beans nyo, okay, tumataas din yung USDT nyo na, na value, no? Kasi ito yung nagge-generate sa atin ng USDT. Okay? So, yun, ganun kasimple yung sistema, but that's super effective and that proves lang no na magtatagal yung dollar beans natin. Hopefully, super long term na to. Kasi yung mga previous project na based sa concept ni dollar beans, nagtagal yun guys ng 2 years or more. So, if you're part of the pioneers, kung naka-join ka na ngayon, good news, kahit nag-withdraw ka daily, okay, meron kang 0.87%. But if you decide to compound your beans or your earnings, mas malaki in the long run. 'Di ba? Kasi 3.5% yung daily mo. Mag-withdraw ka man, meron ka mang ma-charge kasi lumiliit yung tax mo habang tumatagal, 'di ba? Sabi nga dito. So kung mag-decide ka na mag-withdraw after a month, okay? Or after weeks, a few weeks, so maliit yung deductions. So, ibig sabihin na ma-maximize natin yung earnings. At ang maganda dito guys, wala siyang contract and wala siyang end of contract. Ibig sabihin, the longer na nagko-compounding ka, mas tumataas yung beans mo. So, yung daily earnings mo tumataas. Magkaroon ka man ng charge for your withdrawals, it doesn't matter. It doesn't affect your earning potential kasi lifetime mo yung amount na yan. Hindi yan nag-expire. Okay? So, for those of you na mag-ask, so, baka hindi masustain, no, ni dollar beans yung earnings, I don't think na hindi niya masustain kasi, sabi ko nga, I have my other projects na I can inject the revenue, I can add up from the contract balance. Kasi this is my very first staking project and yeah, this is my baby guys. This is my new baby, my dollar beans. So, kung sasabay kayo, good news sa inyo yun. Okay? Kasi I will make sure na tatagal yung project and magbe-benefit tayong lahat. Okay? So, kahit hindi ako kumita dito, basta kayo kumikita, that's fine. So, meron akong next project na ilo-launch. So, yun yung isa sa mga sources natin no, na pagkukunan, yung revenue from that, ay pwede kong i-inject dito kay dollar beans. Kasi, I'm just happy guys na meron akong ganito, no? And I want my community na mag-benefit. Makabawi man lang sa inyo guys sa mga na-loss nyo sa other projects. So, but guys hindi ako part nung mga projects na yun. I'm just a marketer. I'm just a promoter of other previous projects na win-workout natin. So, nag-i-invest din ako doon. I'm just, I just have a few percentage na kinikita galing sa, syempre, ako yung nagbo-market. But, end of the day, yung ng contract noon, ng mga projects na yon is walang napupunta sa akin, guys. Okay, so my main concern is my community again. So, ito, ginawa ko si Dollar Beans. But I'm not the developer, guys. I paid a developer to do this for me. Okay? And hindi mura, no? Hindi mura. So, I paid like thousands of dollars here para lang sa project na to. So, sabi ko nga, hindi, so I will take care of this project, and hopefully ay tumagal ng tumagal to. So tulungan niyo ako no na i-share yung project na to, and we will make sure na hindi tayo mapapahiya dun sa mga taong magtitiwala sa atin. Okay? So yun ang strategy, guys. Keep on rebaking your beans. But there's no limitations, okay? Hindi naman natin sinasabi na huwag kayong mag-withdraw. Pwede pa rin kayong mag-withdraw, okay? But keep in mind of the tax. So, ang mawi-withdraw nyo is 0.87%, and the other 69% will go back to the contract. Hindi yun napunta sa akin, guys. Dito mapupunta yun. So, sino makikinabang? Tayo pa rin na kayo pa rin, no, na mga investors. Okay? So, kung ayaw nyo naman, no, para kayo nagdo-donate dun sa contract pag nag-early withdrawals kayo. Kung ayaw nyo naman ng tax na malaki, then keep on rebaking your beans, and then mag-withdraw lang kayo after a few weeks, after a month. It's up to you. It's up to you kung ayaw nyo mag-donate sa contract. Kung ayaw nyo mabawasan ng malaki yung inyong mga i-withdraw, then yun, keep on rebaking. Okay? So, that's my advice to you guys. It's a part of the anti-drain mechanism, and to prolong this project. Okay? So, yun. Alam kong gusto nyo rin ng long-term passive income, di ba? So, ito lang yung ating project for staking, na it's a game changer, sabi ko nga. It's very different from our previous ones. Okay? Pero guys meron akong ilo-launch na other project which I told you about dito sa aking Facebook, no? Dito sa timeline, makikita nyo naman. Ayan, see Trend with Threads. So, this will be my main project, and this is very different with Dollar Beans kasi hindi naman to staking lang. This is cryptocurrency, guys. This is token. We have Trend token na ilo-launch, and this is a utility token, which is ito yung magagamit natin for our future projects. Ito yon yung cryptocurrency projects natin na ayan, yung social media marketing tools. Sabi ko nga na sa panahon ngayon, marami talagang gusto na magkaroon ng mga followers, mga subscribers, views, to monetize your social media accounts. Good news, nandito na po yung product ni Trends. Yan, the very first product na available na siya, guys Abangan nyo lang, i-announce ko dyan sa Telegram. So, you can start using this. But first, I want to upload a video on how to do that. Okay? Yung sample video para makita nyo kung paano siya nag-work, kung gaano kalupit yung project na to, very first. So, isa lang yan sa mga product ni Trends. Okay? And then, of course, meron tayong staking din. Staking, but, of course, this is about Trend token na. Okay? Para yan sa mga holders, early holders, ayan, magpa-participate sa ating pre-sale, yan, which is available na rin, guys. And also, ayan, pasilipin natin kayo sa ating pre-sale. Alright, so you can start claiming your free 100 Trend token. Yan. And by the way, yung pre-sale price, no, phase 1 pre-sale price is 0.001. Okay? Magkakaroon tayo ng phase 2, which is 0.01. Ayan. Sa next pre-sale. Kaya ngayon pa lang, pwede na kayong mag-avail ng Trend token for this amount. So, napakamura. Okay? And by the way, sabi ko nga, magagamit nyo na yan. Kahit hindi pa to naka-list, no, sa centralized exchange like PancakeSwap. Kahit hindi pa siya naka-list doon, pwede na kayong mag-hold nito. Kasi listing price is 0.10, ayan, 10 cents. So, pag nag-hold kayo, grabe guys, ang laki, no, ng difference. So, meron siyang use case. Sabi ko nga, may utility ang ating project. So, you can use Trend token to pay for the social media. Yun yung to get views, ayan, followers. So, yun, magagamit nyo pambayad yan, si Trend token. Sa ngayon pa lang, hindi pa siya nalilisted. But, once it's listed, okay, ilo-launch din natin yung ating social media DApp. Alright? Which is, yun naman yung parang play to earn. Okay? That's really a great project na I'm very, very excited. Kaya naman, I'm sure itong si Trend, guys, is magwo-work talaga to. Okay? Congratulations na dun sa mga makakapag-avail sa ganitong price. 0.001. So, pwede rin kayong mag-claim. Start na kayong mag-claim ng airdrop. 100 trend, free lang yan. Ang kailangan nyo lang, gas fee. Okay? So, you can start claiming and pwede rin kayong mag-refer. You can earn 10 trend token for every referrals na mag-claim ng airdrop gamit ang inyong referral links. So, na-introhan ko na kayo guys about our trend project. And again, this is very different from our dollar beans. Kaya naman, I will focus on these two big projects, 2025 Wealth Agenda, Focus, and Fortune. The dollar beans and trend blueprint for success. So, sa lahat ng sasabay guys, ito na yung project na pinakahihintay natin. And I'm very proud na I'm no longer working with other developers or other projects kasi syempre I'm tired of promoting those projects na hindi naman nagtatagal, 'di ba? So this time own project. Actually, this is not my first owned project. I have Fastcorp before, that's 2021. So doon sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, ayan, meron na tayong project na ginawa before na sarili natin. In-stop lang natin yung operation because yun nga, yung ating mga traders ay nagkaroon na rin ng mga pinagkakabisihan that time. So, nagkaroon ng mga reasons. So, pinost lang yung yung project. So, hanggang ngayon may mga nag-a-ask sa akin, nagdi-DM kung kailan ilo-launch ulit. But ayun nga, unfortunately, hindi na natin mailo-launch si Fastcorp ulit. But good news is, dito kay Trend ay pwede ring ma-reborn si Fastcorp. So, it means, Fastcorp is about forex trading education. So, I will launch another forex trading education wherein related siya kay Trend. So, what do I mean by that? Syempre, nagbabayad yung mga students natin, no, before sa forex education na yon, sa courses. But here, you can use Trend token to pay for that courses na. Okay? So, abangan nyo yan. Marami tayong good news about this trend. Hindi ito putyo-putyo lang. Kaya naman, ngayon pa lang ay simulan nyo na, no, na mag-ipon ng Trend token. Alright? So, that's my update guys. And keep in touch lang kayo. Stay in my channel para lagi kayong updated. So, that's all for me today. And I'll see you again in the next one. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.